Alright, what's good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Man. I'm back with another daggone video, y'all. Alright, so today, man, I'm not in the 300. Oh, without further ado, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell right now. You see I'm sweating, I'm hot as a mug because I'm in my baby's car, man. You know, I'm in the Hyundai. Her AC is not working. So, as a man, I gotta go take care of that. I gotta go help her out because I can't let her run around it like that. So, she has my car for the day. I hope she's not driving it. But she probably is. But she is not gonna be driving around this car until the AC gets fixed. So hopefully we're trying to do that today. So I'm about to meet up and get this AC fixed, man, because it is hot as a mud. Let me see. I don't know. It's 95 degrees. All right, just believe me. All right, that's how much it is. But like I said, subscribe to the channel. And we're going to go ahead and get this done. I'm sorry, y'all, that the content is really bad because, as you see, it's sunny right now. But when I get home, it might be raining. So that's what's messing me up. So I'm trying to beat the rain. And it's been raining all week, you know. So if it does rain, I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to be putting on my 300. So y'all need to go ahead and get ready for that. All right, y'all? So peace. I'll see y'all whenever I see y'all, because the next time you see me, I will be installing something or I will be showing you something. All right, y'all, Grizzly Squad, I'm home. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some of the things. Ooh, it's dark. Y'all saw them shoes? Let me see it. Oh, yeah, I ain't gonna show you too much. All right, but these are some of the things. Oh, dang, I kind of showed y'all that, man. So, but let me go ahead and show y'all. So these are from, let me show y'all. You see that? Custom Concepts Illusions. CCI. So y'all see that, man. I got the caliper covers. They are aluminum, I say, but they are the Hemi orange. Oh, right, there you go. They are the Hemi orange. Let me go ahead and close my closet. I don't want y'all seeing all my stuff, man. Ugh, close that closet. All right, so they are the Hemi orange ones. So these are the front ones. Let me go ahead and show y'all. So these are the back ones. So these are the back ones, the ones that go in the back. So I decided not to put anything on them because I just want to have them classic because they're not the real Brimbos and stuff like that. I know you got to fake it till you make it, but I'm going to just go ahead and just put the color on there. So these are the back and these are the front. You see how they're going to go? So they're going to go like that. So it's going to look good. So I got some other things. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this camera around. All right. So y'all see, I got to call them to install. And then they got the little parts right here. But it comes with 4. Where's the other one? Oh, it's in here. Okay, I don't feel like wrapping it right now, but this is the way it looks. Look at that Hemi orange. Okay. This is the box that's gonna be last. But let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here, man. It sounds smells funny. Let me see if I can get this thing. Let me see if I can get this thing, man. Uh-oh. Let me see. It's hard to doing stuff with one hand. Let me see. Alright. Oh! These are my covers to my when you open up the door. Gotta open up some more. Come on. Woo! Got it. So these are the covers that I get. They just showing the 2 back ones. Where's the front ones? I'm gonna put it down for 1 second. And we're back. All right, so y'all, here we go. Here go and it's not blue. You peel this off and it'll be just there. So I got these for the doorstep so I don't be scuffing up my paint, man. So you got the 3M tape. That's really easy to install, man. So I got that. But last but not least, you guys, let me see if let me show you. So this is the back, this is the front. And the same thing, this is the front, is the back, okay? So y'all see that? That's number 3. Last but not least, comment down below what y'all think this baby is. All right, so finally. Yeah. All right. Boom! Y'all see me, y'all? Y'all see what I got? I was not playing around. That thing is gonna get installed on my baby. And this is for my circle tips, so I think I can put like 5 or 6 inch circle tips in there, but I probably have like the 5-inch tips down. So this is gonna be the rear diffuser, or I forgot. I think it's called a valence. That's gonna be in the back of my 300. So I'm probably gonna install something right now. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get to installing something. It's not gonna be this, and it's not gonna be this. So last but not least, it's gonna be the cover. So I'm ready to get my baby looking stylish. Get her back on this road, man, because I haven't drove it because I've been working all this week. But yeah, let me go ahead and install these. All right, Grizzly Squad. I was going to put the caliper covers on, but it looks like I need to take these wheels off to do this, to get a better understanding of them. So I'm gonna have to do it this weekend, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I do have something else I can install, just so y'all can see it. It will be these covers right there, the Chrysler covers. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those. So I'm gonna go back up and change this, because I was gonna put those on, but it seems like I'm not gonna be able to do them today. And it look like it's about to rain. As you see, I don't feel like getting caught out here in the rain. So I'm gonna wait till I can go over to my mom's house to go get my jack and everything, so I can lift it up to be a lot easier. But yeah, so let me go ahead and do that now. Grizzly gang. Alright, y'all, so I just took it out of the box. So I'm gonna do this install. So I wanna show y'all, like, I'm gonna have it like matching up to this part of the rubber. See, it's not installed yet. See, it has the 3M tape, so it's really easy to install. Got these off eBay. They are from the OEM factory, so I mean, they all from Mopar. You know, what am I saying? So I gotta clean my car again. Y'all see the pedals though? Yeah, y'all see those pedals, man. So I'm gonna match it up to here, make sure it's flush, and then of course you can peel this off, but it's like a nice satin brush kind of a look. And this is the rear one right here. Like I said, I'm starting it at the beginning of this cut, because that's where I feel like you'll step right here when you get out the car, and it's not gonna be blue. That'd be cool if I could make that orange, but I think that would be too much. So let me just show you how it would look when it got out the car. You'll see it like that, and I'll see how big the 300 is, just as big as the Charger, man. But let me go ahead and install these joints, and I'm gonna show y'all the finishing. Dang, it's so much glare. Let me see if I can stand like that. See if I show y'all the finishing touch, man. Maybe I'll show y'all just the rear one. Alright, that one look even better. Alright, so y'all can see I keep my car clean. Ain't nothing back there, bro. Yeah, I don't play around. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, y'all. Got that on there too. So y'all saw I had the orange calipers, so that should be going on this weekend. So I'm gonna be stunting, man. That's how I got the orange inside. So I'm gonna have some more, or a little hint of orange type stuff on my car. So it's coming along good, y'all. So let me go ahead and install these joints. Alright, so I am gonna pick up my trash. I'm just putting it right there, but look at the finishing touch, y'all. See, I got the Chrysler, and I also about to get the things like when you open up the door, it's gonna say 300. So doing small little ones, but that little, I think it's like a brush finish, and then this is like that. But I like that one. Make it feel like the car is that, you know, a little bit more classy. So I took that off. I'm gonna take this one off too, but that's the way it looked like that, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, finish up. Grizzly gang. Alright, y'all, so I got the finishing plaque on it. Got that Chrysler symbol on there, man. So I think this nice, and it stands out when you open up the doors. And I am gonna get the lights that got the 300 on them when you open up the door. I think that's gonna be lit when I get those. I got on that side. See, I did it all the way. and I did it on that stuff. So that's my trash. I gotta pick up the little bit I got right there. But yeah, that's what I did. I wasn't able to do my caliper cover, so I just went ahead and installed this for you guys. I wasn't gonna show you this, but thought it would be cool just to show you guys. So if you have a Chrysler 300 of your own, you know, you can get these and then really boost it up. It like makes it look more, have that more luxury than when you open up the door, you know. So like, you know, somebody open up the door for you and it's like, boom, Chrysler, you know. It's like, oh, that looks nice. Oh, what was that? That's a bubble? Oh, okay. Guess it still got rain on my car. Look, it's about to rain right now. All right, Grizzly Squad, you see me, I'm hot as a mud because it's been hot as crap in Maryland, man. So I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the subscribers. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the shares. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. Continue to do that and continue to share my videos, man, because it's no other way but up. All right, y'all. So thank y'all, Grizzly Squad. Peace. Look at that 300, man. She gonna be a beast, man. I'm telling you, I'm about to wake her up, man.